Freelancers in the UK, Canada, and Germany are tapping into some incredible AI hacks that are transforming the way we work. Imagine automating your client communications with AI chatbots, saving hours each week, or using AI tools to analyze market trends, helping you price your services competitively. Content creation. AI can generate ideas, draft outlines, and even polish your writing. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. And let's not forget about project management tools that use AI to prioritize tasks, ensuring you meet deadlines without the stress. These hacks aren't just about working harder, they're about working smarter. So, if you're freelancing, it's time to embrace these innovations and elevate your game. Comment yes if you're ready to level up your freelance journey.